Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's continue with the validators in this lesson. We already created our folder and let's add a class here. I'm gonna give a custom password validator. Control RG. Let's inheritance from I password validator and we're going to give app user as a variable. Now we're going to implement our interface. Here we go. Now we're going to add our logics here, guys. But before that, we need to create our error list. Let's create our identity list error first. Then we're going to create our logic now. Okay. First scenario is, for example, password cannot contains the username. Yeah, we can add this logic because this is normally as a default identity library doesn't have this, so we can add this manually. Okay, if password, to make it lower, contains username to lower. Why I am doing lower? Because some random letter might be uppercase, so we can't we if it's if the people use like that, so we can't match the username and password, which one is equal, which one is not. So if you do everything is to lower, so it's really easy to match the letters between each other. Okay, now we have username all the time. Do we? Let me have a look. Yeah, because if we didn't put a username, the model state going to give an error, so it won't be a problem. So we have to have a username here in any circumstances. So we have a password as well. Okay, so if password contains username, so we have a problem here. Now let's add an error to our error list. And so what we're supposed to do now, we need to add a new identity error, which is going to same as, actually we don't need to type in identity error because error is an identity error, so just the bracket is going to be enough. Yeah, the code is user name contain error, and the description is, don't get confused, guy. Previous lesson we touched the default errors and we changed them. Now we create our custom validation and we're going to add an error message to validation. So these are two different things. Okay, description is password cannot contain username. Alright, this is done. Is there anything else do we need to add? Let's add something else. For example, we can start with a digit, right? Alright, or any random number like 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, okay, let's add this one as well. If password start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, not you. What is that user thing here. It has to be string. Alright. Now we're going to add another error messages here. Let's copy here and password start digit error. Password cannot start with 1, 2, 3, 4. This is just a sample. You can change everything according to your needs, guys. Now we add our logics. Now let's go to the conclusion now. You can add more logic if you want. If errors, and if we any error here, it means, so what we're gonna do, return task from result, because we don't have any awaitable method here, so we cannot use async as well, so we have to use the from result. This is the rule, guys. Now we're going to identity result. What happened here? Identity result, perfect. So we're going to assign an identity result. So this is going to be failed, because if any error, this is going to be failed. All right, and we're going to send those error messages. Errors dot to array. Yeah, perfect. Now 1, 2, one more. Anything else? One more? No, it's too much. Where is the problem now? To array need to have a own brackets. Okay, all right. So we have a failed method here. If it succeeds, guys, if there is no error here, so we need to return task from result identity as a success. Return task from result identity result of identity result dot succeed. Yep. And anything else? No, that's all. So this is our custom validator arkadaşlar. Now let's add one more validator. So this is password validator. Before try our validation, let's add one more, and I'm going to create for the user now. Let's add here a class custom user validator. Alright, control RG public I user validator, and app user is our variable, namespace edit, implementation is done. So let's think about a scenario for this one, but obviously we need an error list, same as before. Let's copy and paste to here. Özür diliyorum. Sorry guys. If before if, what kind of logic we can add here? Let me think a couple of minutes. So yeah, maybe we can add username cannot start with a digit. We can track that one. Alright, okay, now var is numeric. In try parse Sorry guys. User dot username 0. It means user dot username 0 if our username, the first digit, first character is a number, it's going to cast to the int. I'm sorry guys, I'm really bad coughing. Alright, let's continue. Let's convert this to string, and if it's not, just out hyphen. Perfect, that's close. So what's that mean? If our username first digit castable to the int, it will assign, sorry, castable to the int is numeric is going to be true. All right, so we have a username here. Perfect. If is numeric is true, yes, that's the problem. So we can't, it cannot start with a digit. All right, the logic is perfect. The error add a new identity error. Yeah, now we can add our error messages. The code is going to be start with digit error, and the description is user name cannot start with digit. Yeah, I think it's cool now. Okay, let's finalize this identity result. It's going to be same as error describer, guys. Sorry. I'm really sorry. I don't know what's happening to me, and I don't want to interrupt the video now. Alright, I guess I feel better now. Sorry for the interruption, guys. Alright. Now I'm just copy from here because these are the same. If there is any error, so it's going to be failed, and if it succeed, it's going to be succeed. Perfect. I'm really sorry, guys. Okay, let's go to extension because we need to define those validator in our um, extension file. Let's go to the identity extension. Where is, oh yeah, here we go. Now let's add password validator. What's the name of our password validator? Let's have a look now. Custom password validator. Here we go. And we need at our user validator. Custom user validator. Perfect. Now our validator added. Now let's have a try, guys. Let's go to sign up page again. View authentication, sign up, view in browser. I'm waiting the page to be open. Okay, now let's try to create a user. Start with the digit. Okay, 00 test 1. Email, doesn't matter. Password 12 star. Password 12 star. Let's create account. Username cannot start with digit. Perfect, it's working. What was the other one? Password cannot contain username, right? Let's exactly use that one. 00 test 1 slash star. Anything else do we need? 00 test 1 star star 00. This is my challenge, guys. 00 test 1 star 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 5 times star. 00 test 1 1 2 3 4 5 is the same. I don't think so. Type it again. 00 test 1 1 2 3 4 5 doesn't seem same. 00 00 test 1 1 2 3 4 5. Now it seems okay. Let's create account. Oh, again. Oh my god. I hate it. I really hate it. I'm gonna remove those password showing things. Let me change it. Let me change it. I'm really tired. Password type text and type text. Alright. Within browser. I really hate it. Sorry guys. Alright. 00 test 1 and email is random. Let's change 00 test 1 1 2 3 4 5 00 test 1 1 2 3 4 5. Now create an account. Password cannot contain username, right? Let's delete those. One item slash 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 slash. Let's edit now. Username cannot start with digit. This is the one. Alright. Perfect. It's working, guys. Alright, we finalize now our validation and error describer. Okay. Perfect. Let's save them all. And let's finish this lesson. I'm sorry, by the way, a couple of minutes ago, I really feel Thursday, I guess that's why I'm coughing. Now I feel better, guys. I'm sorry again. Let's finish this lesson here. It's already been 20 minutes, and next lesson. See you on next lesson, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.